Focus and get you some more updates, and there seems to be certain confusion that is persisting over the Maharashtra government's order on the intra and interstate transportation. And right now, the state has given permission that black and yellow cab and auto rickshaw owner can apply on a government portal if they want to travel to another state. The only condition being they cannot ferry the passengers. But on the other hand, the Maha Aghadi government recently cancelled the intrastate movement of buses after allowing it initially. Now, the private bus owners in Mumbai are not happy about this constant flip-flop and the confusion that is currently prevailing over this. And they claim that they had booking for approximately 2,000 buses for the interstate and intrastate travel. But now only 25,000 passengers who had made the booking have been left in a lurch.
Firstly, we were asked to carry people, the migrants, back home. So we started taking bookings. Around 2,000 people, 2,000 buses were booked to go to the states like UP, Bihar, etc. We got around permissions for around 200, 300 buses, and suddenly then the permissions stopped coming. As on today, around 1,000 buses, which were supposed to take around 25,000 migrants back home, they are still waiting since now 8 to 10 days. The permissions are not coming in. Every second day or every second hour, there is a new policy coming in, and these migrants are really frustrated.
Let me bring in our deputy news editor Mayuresh, who's joining me live, getting us those updates there. Mayuresh, this constant flip-flop and the confusion that is there on ground is definitely creating a lot of anxiety among the people. There is a confusion on the order of transportation. Do we have any kind of clarity on this part? Because clearly the private bus owners are unhappy with this constant flip-flop of the Maha Aghadi government.
Yes, the private bus owners are really not happy with this kind of flip-flop, because earlier they were given the permissions. Almost 200 to 300 private buses from the Mumbai got the permissions to ferry the passengers to the other state or to the other districts. But after that, they have stopped. Then Maharashtra government said that they will take initiative, and with the help of state transport buses, they will drop the passengers to the various districts. But that is also stopped. But these private bus owners are questioning that if Maharashtra government is allowing the truck drivers or the truck owners, basically, who are charging like 3,000 to 4,000 per person, and which is not even legal, then why they are not allowing the permission to the private bus owners? Because they are saying that we have got the booking of somewhere around 25,000 people are there who are waiting for the permissions. They have booked our 2,000 buses, but still the state government, we are not getting clearance from the state government. Yes, on the part of state government, they are saying that unless we get permission or the clearance from the other state, it is not possible to give them clearance. But what about the intrastate movement? Intrastate movement is a subject of Maharashtra government and Maharashtra state. So why that is not happening? That is a big question, and due to which this, we just heard the reaction of Harsh Kotak, who clearly said that 25,000 people who have booked the various buses for the intra and interstate, they have been still stranded.
All right, in that case, Mayuresh, what is the stand of the state government right now? Because clearly this entire confusion hasn't been sorted. So where does the state government stand on this entire issue?
Apurva, state government have made a clear policy that, for number one, they will be only ferrying the migrants from other state to the border of Maharashtra. Number two, intrastate, for the intrastate movement, so far they have put the plan on a hold.
All right, so in that case, Mayuresh, what is the permission that has been granted as of now? What movement is allowed and what movement is not allowed?
Certainly. So if you have a private vehicle, yes, you can apply for the permission, and you can go to the other city. Suppose if I have a private vehicle and I have to go to the Pune for medical emergency, then I have to apply for the permission, and I will get the permission after verifying the fact, and I will go. But what Maharashtra government have done now, if you see in the visuals also, which we are showing from the various parts of Maharashtra, now they are allowing the private cab, that is a Kali Pili black and yellow cab owner, as well as the auto rickshaw owner, to cross the border state. So that has caused the confusion, because they are not supposed to carry or ferry 80 passengers. So if they have to go to the Indore, so we have the visuals from Dhulia to Indore, where almost 10 to 15 auto drivers in their auto have crossed the Maharashtra and they have went to the Indore. So this has caused a kind of a confusion where the private bus owners and other people are saying, if you're not allowing us to travel, then how or on what basis you are allowing these people to travel? But Maharashtra government has made it clear that these private auto rickshaw and black and yellow cab owners, they cannot ferry any passengers.
Okay.
So if they want to go to other state, we will allow them, but they cannot ferry any passenger. They can go with their families, or if they belong to that particular state, they can go there, but no passengers they can take.